What's the benefit of settling your Maryland medical malpractice case? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about that question. What is the benefit of settling your medical malpractice case? All right, before I answer the question, I want to kind of step back a little bit and help you understand that when we are talking about settlement of a medical malpractice case, that can be done throughout the process. So you can settle a medical malpractice case. I mean, if you initially file and you can work things out on that end, you can settle there. You can settle during the discovery process. You can even settle a medical malpractice case even up to trial, and actually in some instances during trial. If both sides, if there's a meeting of the mind and both sides agree that settlement is the way to go. But to answer that question, what is the benefit of settling the case? There can be lots of benefits, but for this video today, I want to talk about one key benefit. And this benefit is when you settle a medical malpractice case, and this is assuming that the case is going to settle, somewhere within what a jury would return if you went to verdict. One of the key components to, or the benefits to settling the case, is that it gives you control as to the value of the case. Remember, when you have a jury trial, or in some instances, if someone decides to have a bench trial, but if you have a trial with a fact finder, the fact finders, they are the ones who will determine the value of the case. If you settle the case, then that means that you are placing the value. You have control over what is going to happen with the case. You have control over what you think the value of your case is and whether that is appropriate or not. So why did I take the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm giving you insight into the Maryland medical malpractice process. I'm helping you understand some of the things that happen in the background when we are talking about bringing a medical malpractice case. I'm helping you to understand that if you decide that settlement is the way to go in your case, that you are the one who is saying that the value is appropriate for your set of facts and circumstances. Now, in some cases, a case can't settle, or settlement may not be the best way to go. But ultimately, you, the person who is bringing the case, the plaintiff, is ultimately your call as to whether to settle that case or whether to go ahead and push that case on to trial. All right, if you have questions about what's going on, maybe you are watching this video right now because you have suffered an injury at the hands of a doctor, or you were at a hospital, or maybe your baby has suffered a birth injury and you have questions about what's going on. If this is what's happening with you, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action costs absolutely nothing. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. You can also reach me toll free on birth injury situation at 1-833-4BABY-HELP. If you would like to send me an email, shoot me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I will be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, practicing law in the state of Maryland, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.